nothing is neutral in your sales calls. Everything is either positive or negative. Let me explain. So in a sales call, everything you say, everything you do, your tonality type, the questions that you ask, how you present yourself, how you look, everything matters. So nothing is in the middle, right? Nothing. It's either positive or it's negative, or it's getting you closer to the sale or moving you further away from the sale. And when you understand this, what you end up doing is you end up valuing every little detail and putting importance on everything. Because what happens if you sometimes start to think, oh, well, it doesn't really matter if I'm late, or it doesn't really matter if I'm 5 minutes late, or it doesn't really matter if I don't say those questions, or it doesn't really matter if, I look like a scruff, or it doesn't actually matter if I don't close in this way. It doesn't really matter if I don't read this to the client. It doesn't really matter if whatever. One little thing, one little coordinate off track at the start ends up you're miles away by the end. And everything either gets you closer towards a sale or moves you further away from the sale. Nothing's in the middle. And when you give everything importance, you move things over here, and then you've got all the good stuff over here, and you don't miss, and you don't get sloppy, and you don't start missing little things. And I've seen this in some of my staff before over the years. Like, they start off missing a one thing, then before you know it, a couple of months, 6 months, 12 months down the line, they're missing loads of stuff. And the sales figures are either staying the same or going backwards. And the people that value everything and the practice, the perfect it, they're constantly trying to get better. They're the ones whose income go up and up and up and up. Every single year, the income goes up. My income went up every single year I was in financial services when I was selling. Every year, bar none. For over 10 years, it went up every year. Like, why? Because I valued everything and I learned everything and I perfected and I tweaked and I tested. And I knew certain things were pushing us further away from the sale and some were getting us closer towards the sale. And I put the importance on the things that were getting us closer towards the sale. I knew that nothing was neutral. And the things that move us further away from the sale, obviously, I just stopped doing. Because I don't want to be moved further away from the sale. Of course, I want more sales. Yeah? So just remember that nothing's neutral. It's either positive or negative. And get the right things in the positive column and start doing them and keep doing them. And don't forget and get sloppy. And you'll just close more sales. You'll do more, you'll scale more, you'll protect more people, you'll get more referrals, your income will continue to scale, and you'll become wealthier, you'll become a better advisor, and who doesn't want that? So if you like stuff like this, you want more sales training, then it's called the Wealthy Advisor Club, an online community where I do 3 training sessions every week, all recorded for you to watch back on, in-person events, resources, there's loads of stuff, there's guest speakers, there's no other community like this. The Wealthy Advisor Club. Send us a message or click the link. You get a free 7-day trial. You can access loads of content. See what you think. Get some quick wins. Or don't. Keep doing what you're doing. That's your call, right? Hopefully, I'll see you in one of the sessions.